Hi everyone, today we are going to make a lady's finger curry or Bhindi curry. So first thing we need to cut, but first the tip and tip and bottom we should cut it. Then we should make pieces accordingly. Yeah, so depending on the size of the lady's finger, you can cut into 2 or 3 pieces. If it is small, you can cut into 2 pieces. If it is big, if you can cut into 3 pieces. Then, as we are showing here, you can cut horizontally. Sir, it is vertically. We need to cut. This is how we have cut it. Okay, one tomato we have cut and also one onion we need. Chop it and then we have to put into mixture. Okay, onion and tomatoes we have cut and put into mixture jar and make it a paste. Okay, now mixture, this paste is ready. Onion and tomato paste is ready. Take one pan or kadai and so put some oil. Okay, once the oil is heated, then we have to put the lady's finger Bhindi into it. So we need to fry it before making. We need to fry until all the like it should become non-sticky, because we are frying this because to avoid that sticky thing. Now like their color is changed, becoming brownish, and also they become now non-sticky. So take them, all of them, and keep on one plate. Okay, in the same vessel we are putting a little more oil. If you want, you can take different vessel, but we are we are taking the same vessel so that we don't need to wash multiple vessels. Yeah, cumin seeds we have added into the oil. Ginger garlic paste. You can also add some curry leaves, but we don't have curry leaves, so just we added cumin seeds and ginger garlic paste. And so we need to add the paste which you have already made, onion and tomato paste. So mix it well. Yeah, add some coriander powder and turmeric powder and little bit salt as per the taste, and some chili powder. My wife is like she likes very much spicy, so she added more chili powder, but you can add it according to your taste. So little bit like we are adding curd, but before that we should turn off the gas, so otherwise the curd will break if you are directly on the heated mixture. Mix it well. So now again we need to turn on the gas, and so now we are adding the lady's finger pieces, Bhindi pieces. So mix it well. So we are also adding some peanut powder. So if you add peanut powder, it will be like you will feel very tasty. And mix it well. So we are adding a little bit water. So like the mixture, whatever the remaining, we are putting some water into the mixture jar, and we are adding that into this. Now you can taste it. If anything you want to add, you can add like salt or the spicy thing. You can check it and you can add accordingly. Okay, you can cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. After adding everything, then you can turn off the gas and you can serve it. Yeah, now it's ready, and we are closing it for 2 to 3 minutes, and that will be ready. Yeah, thank you guys. Happy cooking.